Hey guys, welcome back to JR14. Here we are for another video for you guys. Like as you've seen before, if you haven't seen it, the link is in the upper right hand corner of the screen. But we installed H&R lowering springs for my Mark 7 GTI, and I also reviewed those on how they feel and how they make the car respond. And there's Calvin, with his Mark 6, taking out that toolbox. But today we are installing something new. Today we're going to be installing the H&R 26mm rear sway bar for my Project Mark 7, and it should be definitely dope. So, it was warmer earlier today, but you gotta love that New York weather. And Mike's here again. He's not happy today because last time, if you guys haven't seen the video, we installed the Corsa exhaust and he was pissed. We were all pissed. It was so cold outside.
I know you're mad. I know you're mad. I know you're mad. Like, nah.
Because he was mad. When he doesn't say anything, he's just like, I gotta go to work. I hate this weather. Yeah. And then
I gotta go to work. I hate this weather. It's 30 degrees outside.
Ooh, the booty though. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this installed right now. So let's do it.
Funny. That shit was funny.
Yes.
I know they would have said something.
It's here.
It was
26mm.
You know why it was funny?
German parts.
Now I keep it up.
German parts. But Calvin, I didn't. It's not like I'm like Dom Toretto and like did the car on the wheelie and got it up here. No, I jacked
I'm like, how the hell you got it? There had to be an attachment.
There was an attachment, but I just jacked the whole side of the car up and I stuffed this underneath it and I put the jack stand on the back. Hence the car being higher.
He knows this because we talked about this. Every car. That's why on my car is no problem.
These guys doubt me.
Digital sound is digital sound.
Why is this rolling? Stop rolling.
It's a Hyundai, a higher Honda.
All right, guys, we're about to go under now, and here we go. So as you haven't seen before, this is the Corsa exhaust that I put on with them black diamond tips. Don't get mad because you don't have a Corsa. Of course, it's lit.
You be lying on YouTube.
No, I don't.
Look at the exhaust I put on.
No, first of all, Michael definitely helped me. He was there with me thick and thin throughout all.
It's not angled. No, that's how he wanted it. That's how
it's fine. I'm on it. It's action.
Straight.
It's action.
He wanted it staggered. He wanted the words like this.
So today, all right. So we have to remove. Where's the bolt? It's not that much light here, as I thought it was. Got to remove that bolt, which creates that end link, which removes this rear sway bar. Removes that rear sway bar out of the way. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're about to remove this now. Got triple squares to remove there.
Amazon?
And here. And 2 bolts here and here. Alright, so I need to get a triple square to fit into these mounts on each side. So there's 2 of them, one on each side, and I have 2 triple squares each. I think these are 10mm triple squares, but you know, Calvin's tools.
You said, wait, are those the right size?
Yeah, it is. It's going. Yeah, it is the right size. Oh, I can't just run an extension. So give me a long extension.
How long? I got Mandingo long. Is that good enough?
Pass me the Mandingo socket wrench in my case.
Wait, what the hell? Oh, wait, this one?
Look where I'm pointing.
Oh!
That one. Yeah. The enchilada. Yeah. Socket.
What are you looking for? Wait, let me see this. And now this, my friend, is a roller shot.
No, he's got more money than all of us. He's got to be in
Can you please?
What do you do, Mike?
I try to do a roller shot, but this is not really stable. But
it doesn't have to be stable.
no, I mean the roller. You get it? Roller shot on the roller. Alright, so you're looking to take apart these right here. Triple squares. So all you gotta pretty much do is take out those 4 bolts and weave the... Well, take out those 4 bolts right here.
You're kind of like laying.
Right in your way, right? That's perfectly fine.
No, I don't need a breaker bar.
You say you need leverage.
No, I needed leverage, but this thing keeps rolling away when I have the leverage. I think it stays stable.
Let's get down there and see what you. Let's let the viewers see what you're talking about, Mr. JR14 YT. There we go.
Oh, thank God! This is actually working in my favor today. I was like, it's gonna happen. This is what happened when we did the exhaust. It was a perfect. What? I don't have a screwdriver. You're the one that always has the screwdrivers. How do you know you're taking off a mirror and the one tool you need you don't have? That's like saying, yo, I want to go to a deli to get a turkey sandwich, but you got no damn turkey. How does that happen?
Or no deli.
Yeah, that's a basic food.
Do you want to take them all out?
Yeah, he did say this thing will smack you.
Yeah, so like,
face.
just
I'm just loosening him up.
But now let me ask you a question before you do that, right?
Yeah. Oh, thank God.
You want to use the swivel?
No, I don't need it.
You gonna strip it?
No, man, I got it loose.
All right, all right.
That's the good thing about a triple square.
Explain what's the good thing about a triple square again.
Like it's a more. To me, I like triple square bolts because it's actually more direct, and in my opinion, it's less likely to strip these. In my opinion, I could be wrong. So like viewers and stuff like that, and if you feel like it could be easily stripped, leave a comment down.
I mean,
in the
that's
comments.
That's the beauty about YouTube. Somebody's gonna find you.
Someone's gonna find me doing something wrong, and y'all not wrong because Paul Barrett did this on Shop That. So I'm following his instructions. Link in the upper right hand corner of the screen will be applied to you. All right, now I gotta do this side.
I mean, that side's pretty much the same, right? So
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Meanwhile,
looky here. You got a nice little GTI. Yeah, I just bought this. $50,000 cash. This thing smells pretty good in here. Got the new car set. GTI stitching. Well, GTI embroidery. Okay, okay. I see. Where's the push button start? Let's see. We got the fun button. Push button start. This is a manual transmission, so make sure it's in neutral and fire her up.
Snag is that the leveler for the lighting package is in the way of getting this thing out.
All right, wait. The light is attached to the sway bar.
No, the lighting package is attached to the the driver's side controller.
Let's checking it. Oh, wait, see right here, this little green arm. He says it's in the way. So basically, he's talking about this thing right here.
So I might have to take that thing off.
The whole assembly?
No, just it bolts onto the back of the control arm. So I might just have to like unbolt it and move it out the way. It's just hanging now. Or I'm thinking just drop a little portion of the exhaust. What do you think? I think that'll be easier.
Wait a second, and you. Wait, which way are you trying to take it out?
Through the passenger side. Yeah.
Hold on.
Actually, just
let me see.
hold it. Where's this? Oh, never mind. No, it's.
Yeah. Here we go.
So right here we can see the difference. This is the stock one.
I don't see a difference. Oh, it is thicker. It's thicker.
Oh.
Thick. I can take it. All right, so this one definitely feels heavier, feels beefier. This one feels a little. Is this hollow on the inside?
No, I hope not.
This one you could tell, feel it, the weight difference.
No, that's nothing.
No, feel this one though. Feel this one. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh man, corner life.
Now what are these? These polyurethane?
Yeah, it's no, I think they're rubber as well. They could be polyurethane. I'm not too
So
sure.
let me ask you this: you just take these
I
off?
have to take those off and then put grease on these so prevent noise.
Makes sense.
And then we have to exchange the end links from that to this.
You see, these are plastic.
They're plastic end links. Yeah, they make metal ones, but I didn't change them yet. Ooh,
What's
I hope
up?
he has a small. I have to put a triple square in there and then loosen.
No, yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
So hopefully he has a smaller one because I don't have any triple squares. 13 millimeter socket. A 13 millimeter socket for just to take the bolts out of the control arms, and the whole thing drops out. And then it's just a matter of the triple squares and not replacing. If you 12304 makes a metal rear end link kit, a good rear end link kit. I don't have those right now. Probably I'll run them later. This will be the best time to do it, but obviously I don't have them, so can't do it now. But we can't do it.
The end links.
We're gonna change the end links and put them on here, and then the mounting brackets. And then we're gonna put some grease on it, and then we're gonna be good to go.
And these aren't adjustable. They just fixed.
No, they're fixed. Yeah, they're fixed.
Cool.
It's just a direct replacement from OEM.
You can definitely tell it's a little more beefy.
It's 26 millimeter.
And if you did need the headlight, if you did have the headlight package, you need to unloosen the. You need a small Torx, right?
Yes, you need a small Torx. I believe it was a T30 or T30 because the T20 didn't work. So use T30 for the Torx. If you have a lighting package, if you have a xenon headlights that self-adapt, the leveling sensors on the driver's side rear control arm. So you actually need to loosen that up and tuck it up out of the way in order to get to it. Just make sure that you don't break the plastic arms because
Very fragile plastic.
they're
too.
very fragile, and if you break them, then you won't be able to self-level the headlights, and you get an error code, and you won't be able to see at night.
But those are first world problems.
Yeah, first world problem part. Because these kind of don't want to budge. I mean, it shouldn't be that bad, but
You know what? Give me the hammer. Add some shock to it.
okay. I like shock. You like shock? I like shock. You like shock. So let's shock it up.
I don't even know who shock is.
Oh, we got a hammer, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. The destructive tool.
The show must go on. Jeez, get in there.
Because they're bent on the corners, see?
Yeah, see, I'm just trying to get it to pry.
Shaking. You know what? I want my own jokes. Like Medic Magic has triggered. JS MK7 has video, and I have nothing. I don't have a slogan on my channel. Not a slogan, but not a slogan per se, but it's more or less. People have their catchphrase. That's the word I wanted to use. Their catchphrase.
Oh, so you're looking for a catchphrase?
I need a catchphrase for my channel.
So like
it's gonna naturally come. I just haven't thought of anything yet. So we're still trying to figure this out. So you can put the new bar in. Sponsored by Harbor Freight. Gotta lube it up, guys. Always lube it up.
That depends.
It's a family channel.
30 and up, lube it up.
That's perfect. That was great.
You got it?
Yep.
Cool.
All right.
I understand.
I understand perfectly.
Calvin, like, he got this from here. That's the color yours. Isn't that right, Calvin?
Alright, so after we getting this in here, alright, so the wrist sway bar, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's in. Calvin's actually. Come on, Calvin.
Where's the triple square?
Hang on. I know where it is. Alright, guys. Well, here is the new sway bar bolted in place. Everything is good and gravy. Installing this was a little tricky. Now, as you can see, the exhaust right here blocks this. It's a lot easier if you just drop the rear section of the exhaust, the axle back piece, to do this stuff and to get the sway bar out. And this is a 26 millimeter. And yeah, so The biggest problem was the end links. The end links are really tough to get to, but to get back in. But as you can see, they're in and in place. So. Alright guys, well this will conclude this video of JR14 of the H&R 26mm rear sway bar installation. This was a fun build. This is actually not that bad. It wasn't that bad. Obviously with a little bit of time and filming and stuff, it took a little longer than expected. But I want you guys to go to JR14, smash that subscribe button, make sure that you like this video by giving it a thumbs up, and there'll be other content like this coming up in the later videos. But yeah, next video I will actually be doing some driving, making sure I want to actually see the rear sway bar. I actually want to see it perform and feel it perform. But without further ado, I'm closing this out. Thank you guys so far for the love and support, and we'll be on the next way. So you know what? See you guys in the next one. I'm out.